Welcome to day 2 of Psle Maths blog, and today we'll cover fractions. 3 questions on fractions. So as always, the first thing we do is to read the question carefully. Alright? 300 students were in school. There were 300 students in school, and the students are made up of boys and girls. So when 3/4 of the boys and 3/5 of the girls left school, so they have 3/4 of the boys, more than half, left school, and 3/5 of the girls, also more than half, leaving school. The total number of students left in the school was 90. The total number of schools left in school was 90 students. How many girls were at the school at first? Alright, when you read this question, what you need to do is you need to make sense of what the question is saying. You get a big picture. Now, if 300 students were at school in the first place and you have only 90 left, alright, we can say that the number of students who left school, boys and girls, is 300 minus 90, which is 210 students. Means a total of 210 boys and girls left the school. This is made up of 3/4 of boys and 3/5 of girls. Now we do not know how many girls there are, how many boys there are in school at first. Whether the number of boys is greater than the number of girls, we don't know. So if we were to draw it the same, let's say you're going to draw it this way. If let's say you're going to draw it this way and you see this is boys, this is girls, this would not be an accurate depiction of the situation in school, because you are showing by drawing the model this way that the number of boys and girls in school is about equal. Right? Let's say you know that you have, as the question says, right? You can see over here the question says, okay, you have 3/4 of the boys and 3/5 of the girls leaving the school. So this is what we're gonna do, alright? 3/4 of the boys. So I'm gonna draw 4 stars, and this represents the boys. Alright, this represents the boys, and I'm going to circle 3 of them because these 3 units of boys left the school. And as for the girls, I'm going to draw 5, let's say triangles, and this represent 5 units of girls, and out of the 5 units of girls, 3 left. Alright, this 3 units and 3 units, they, as we calculated just now, they total to 210. Which means this 1 star here and 2 triangles here would be 90 students. See, originally there were 300 students. We are told there's 90 left. These are those who are left. Alright, they are left in school. And when we minus this, we get 210. So that means 3 units of the boys and 3 units of the girls are equal to 210. Now, how do you solve this? Well, here, it's a little bit different. In fact, this is quite an unfair question. This is actually algebra at secondary 2. This is called simultaneous equation, algebraic equations, and we are doing it at P6. In fact, I've seen the question being asked at even P4. So what we are doing in our education system, bringing an algebraic equation right down to primary school, is a question that we should ask ourselves, the logic of it. Anyway, 3 stars, these 3 stars, plus 3 triangles, they are equal to 210. Right, that's what we indicated. This 3 and this 3, they equal to 210. And then you have 1 star plus 2 triangles is equal to 90. Okay, you get it? 1 star and 2 triangles equal to 90. This star represents the boys and this represents the girls. So in order to solve this equation, you solve this problem, you need to get rid of one of the shapes. Okay, you need to get rid of one of the shapes. So what you can do is to multiply this by 3. Alright, multiply it by 3, and you need to multiply everything by 3. So you get 270. 90 times 3 is 270. 2 triangles. 2 triangles times 3 is 6 triangles. And this is 3 stars. Now, if we were to take this top equation minus this bottom equation, we'll get 270 minus 210. Okay, let me clear this so that it does not distract you. Alright, 270 minus 210, you get 60. 6 triangles minus 3 triangles, you get 3 triangles. And 3 stars minus 3 stars, nothing. You get nothing. So 3 triangles is equals to 60. 1 triangle, you divide this by 3, 60 divided by 3, you will get 20. You cannot see, 20. Anyway, okay, you get 20, So now, this means, the number of girls on here will be 20 here, 20 here, 20 here, 20 here, and 20 here. And the question is asking you how many girls were there in school at first. So it's 20 times 5, because this is at first. 3 units left, 2 were left. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. Right? You just take 20 times 5 triangles equals to 100, and this is your answer. Alright, easy?